Next comedian come to the stage. I'm so blanking on the stage. Mr. Ken Arnott, do you know your name? Hello, Ken. Is this your first time here? Hey, everybody, it's the first time at Ken. We're going to use your applause. Mr. Ken Arnott.
Hello, everybody. Colt, how are you doing? Let me hear it. How's everybody doing? Okay, everybody, like I said, like you said, it is my first time here tonight, so I'm going to leave my setup to you. I can either do jokes, or I can tell you the true story of the time I turned down a job with the Secret Service. Which would you rather hear?
Which is funnier?
True story. I heard true story. Okay. Let me give you a little bit of backstory. I used to be a financial advisor for J.P. Morgan Chase. That comes in important later. I was downsized, unemployed for a year and a half. Went to a job fair at a community college that I attended called William Rainey Harper College on Palatine. Nobody else went there. Cool. Awesome. All right. I affectionately refer to it as Bill's House of Knowledge. And for anyone who hasn't been to a community college, it's like, hey, welcome to community college. Remember all those people you hated in high school? Well, they're all here. And they're just as upset as you are. So I went to this job fair at William Rainey Harper College, where I used to attend, and the Secret Service had a booth that was manned by this really butch-looking lesbian. So I was like, hey, my people, I'll go up and see what I can do. You know? So I was talking to her. Her name was Sheila, the lesbian Secret Service agent. And turns out my skills as a banker were quite usable, because apparently protecting the president is the most public thing the Secret Service does, and they mainly investigate counterfeiting and bank fraud. So I had two interviews with Sheila, the lesbian Secret Service agent. And on the second interview, she said to me, hey, look, you basically got the job. All right, I can't offer it to you until the next interview, but you've got the job. So when you come in next time, we'll talk about which city you're going to be stationed in, and you're going to be doing a desk job, you're going to be working, investigating check fraud, and then we're also going to talk about where you're going to do your weapons and combat training. And when I heard weapons and combat training, I was like, what kind of a desk job am I going to be having? Am I going to be sitting there like, hey, there's an incoming fax! Sheila, cover me! But then she kind of shrugged and she said to me, yeah, I know it's a little bit silly, but, potentially any agent could be called upon to provide additional presidential security. And this was back in 2007. So I looked at Sheila, the lesbian Secret Service agent, and I said to her, are you saying take a bullet for George W. Bush, that kind of presidential security? And she said, yes. And I stood up and said, well, you have a lovely office, and walked right out. And that's the true story about I turned down a job with the Secret Service. All right. Hey, how am I doing on time? I still got a whole minute. Okay, all right. Jokes in, here we go. Okay, all right, I love the internet, mainly if you're looking at pictures of naked people, because that's what it's there for. That's what we use it for, looking at porn and Farmville. Let's all just be honest for a second for once in our fucking lives. It's porn and Farmville. That's what we use the internet for. All right? So, exactly yesterday, I was on Tumblr.com, and I was scrolling through pictures of naked people, because that's what happens on Tumblr. It's pictures of naked people. And I stumbled across pictures of people that I knew. And that's always incredibly disconcerting, because you're sitting there, you're clicking your mouse, you're going, click, oh, that's hot. Click, oh, that's dirty. Click, oh, that's in my book club. What the fuck? Oh, my God. You're actually incredibly flexible for a person who's honest. Okay, so that's my time. Please welcome this guy back to the stage. My name is Ken Arnott, everybody. Thank you, Cole. Great time.
One more time, Ken Arnott, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Quick round of applause. If you're